Hi DV Asia, I'm Christoph from Pomfort. I'm sure you have heard Pomfort, the company name, before. We develop software for film production workflow, specifically on the film set. Here at NAB we promote two software products. On the one hand side we have LiveGrid Pro, which helps to create looks on the live image of the camera. On the other side we have SilverStack for the data management on the film set. In the first step I want to introduce our first product, which is LiveGrid Pro, which helps you creating looks on the live image. For this you just need an SDI signal coming from your camera, which is connected to a LUT device box, which we have here. We have one live device box from Fujifilm, which transforms the SDI signal into lookup tables, and with our software LiveGrid Pro we can now manipulate the live image of the camera. This is the first product. The other product, which we have here on the other hand side, is SilverStack. It helps just to back up all the material coming from the camera, the source material. You can play back the source material. You can create clip libraries that helps you to have an overview over your entire project. And you can create reports, copy reports, which you can hand out to the producer or to the editorial. These are our main products here on the NAB, and perhaps I can tell you more in detail in the next step. LiveGrid Pro is responsible for the color management on the film set. It helps to create looks on the live image on the camera. The setup of the software in combination with all the hardware devices is very easy. You just need to have the camera SDI signal coming out of the camera, which is connected with the monitor. We interrupt this SDI signal with a LUT box. In this case, this box is from Fuji. We have a Fuji Eyes Mini device here. This transforms the SDI signal into LUTs. With our software now it's possible to manipulate the live image of the camera. As you can see, it's very easy. If you manipulate on this tension device, you have a new look which you can already create it on a live image. It can help to have already an idea about the look information in the post-production. If you have prepared the simple setup for LiveGrid Pro, you can just start with live grading right away. Just use these color balls. In this case, the color balls are connected with a tangent element device, and you can prepare an individual look what is needed for your shooting at this day. For creating looks, LiveGrid Pro comes with 3 different grading modes. We have on the one side we have the CDL grading mode, the Alexa Look grading mode, and the ACES grading mode. If you have created some examples for looks, you can just select the look and apply it to the current picture, and now you see this look here on the monitor. This is very easy and simple. The new version of LiveGrid additionally comes with a remote control device. Now we have an iPhone here. With help of this iPhone, if you are away from your computer, within your Wi-Fi network, you can just select the looks and you can just apply another look with help of this iPhone app device, which is available in the App Store in combination with the LiveGrid. SilverStack is responsible for the data management at the film set. It helps you to organize all the source material getting from all different kind of cameras, and it facilitates the work and the organization of the movie data coming from the different cameras. In the first step, normally you get an SPIS card or a different CF card from the camera. You put it in a card reader here, and with a click on offload, the SilverStack already detects that these files are coming from an ARRI Alexa camera. Here you have a short overview over the clips, and you can also see that we do not only support ARRI Alexa cameras, it's also available for ARRI RAW, for RED cameras, for Sony cameras, for Canon cameras. You choose a destination in the next step. You can add up to 8 destinations, and with help of checksum verification, you can be sure that the backup process will be start, and you don't have to worry that everything can fail with your backup process. All files should be copied and verified in this process. Exactly. During the copy process, Silverstack extracts all the metadata which is included in the file, and it stores it right beside the clip. In this case, here's the clip, and all the technical metadata are just right beside the clip here. We have an additional field that shows all the destinations where this clip has been copied to, so it's easier for you. If someone is asking is this clip located, you just can look up in Silverstack and you know where this file is located. In the next step, perhaps it's necessary to play back the material for quality check. For this case, we have a visual control device here on the side. It helps with the help of, for example, focus assist, clipping. You can inspect and detect if is everything okay, and you can enter all this information in this comment fields, or you can just rate or flag these clips, whatever is needed. Exactly. In the last step, it's for DITs, especially in the film sets, it's important to create a copy report that documents all the work which is done all over the day. For this, you can choose what kind of metadata should be part of this copy report. So you can just select the information which is needed in this report. If you have chosen all this information, just click on report, and you have the opportunity to create a shooting day report, a clip report, or volume report. Depending on what's the recipient, if it's the producer or it's the editorial, you choose the way you want to have your reports. I can show you here, we have 2 reports prepared. This is a shooting day report. This summarizes what has been copied all over the day. In this case, the files which has been copied over the day have an amount of 70 gigabytes, or it has been 21 clips. So it just shows and gives everyone an overview about the shooting day. The other report we have is a clip report. Here you can find all the clip related information on a paper, which helps tremendously, for example, the editorial, because they already know before what kind of clips will be sent to them next day. Last step, sometimes it's necessary that you need to transcode the clips. For this we have an option. Just choose which clips you want to transcode, and we have the option to transcode all the files to several ProRes flavors, like ProRes 444 or an H.264 format. Whatever is needed, you can just organize your transcoding process in Silverstack as well. At the end of the day, you have all the time you're working on the film set with all the material, you have full control over all the data, and you know with the help of the Silverstack library where all your files and your clips are